Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you the best project setting in CapCut video editing software. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your CapCut, just like so. After you open up your CapCut, the next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to the tab right here, click on settings right here, and then this is going to drop down, navigate to settings, and then the setting window is going to pop up just like so. Now, from the top right here, you have save to. Where do you want to save your file? So you can simply click on here to choose where you want to save your file. So I'm going to simply choose this particular file folders right here. Having choose your file folder, simply click on select a folder. Then everything has been fully here, which simply means that each time you export your video file, it takes you into this particular folder. It's as simple as that. Then right here you have cache management. So here, don't delete cache file. So make sure you switch back to auto delete cache file. Then you can come here, choose the days at which you want the cache file to retain on your PC before automatically deleted by CapCut video editing software. So right here, I'm going to choose 15 days and cool with that. Then the cache file is simply deleted from every 15 days after I'm done with my project editing. So we are done with project section. Let's move to the editing tab. So under the editing tab, we have step forward or back play, time frames. So right here, adjust volume, leave everything right like so. Then right here, we have 5.0 seconds for image duration, leave that one like so. Then right here, target loudness. So click on that. If you want to choose default setting, you can leave it that way. Then with this allow you to choose to do a custom setting. If you want to use for YouTube setting, leave it in YouTube or TikTok. It's as simple as that. Then come down right here under the frame rate. So this is depends on how you record your video, or if you want to choose a custom frame rate, you can choose any one of the figures right here. But basically, 30 frame rate per second is still cool. The next thing you want to do, time code right here. You can leave it in this format. Then sound for export. So here you can enable this section right here, which means that once you're exporting your project finished, then you have a sign that signifies that the export has been fully complete. Now let's move to the next tab, which is performance. Under the performance tab right here, speed up hardware encoding, leave it in that way. Speed up hardware decoding, leave it in that way. Interface, make sure this is enabled also. Then proxy mode is turned on by default when the project is on, so you can leave that one. Then right here, sound output. Then next one right here is language tab. Under the language tab, if you want to switch from any of the language right here, so you can simply select any one of them. If you don't really understand default language, which is English language on my PC right here. So if you either does not understand English language, I believe so much that you should be able to see some of the language you understand right here. So once you choose any of the language right here, then come down below right here and then click on save. Boom, you are done, and everything you set is going to be effect. Immediately you click on save. It's as simple as that. So this is the best project setting in CapCut video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.